lovelies, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here, and today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of July's Ipsy Boxycharm box. So I'm just going to be showing you guys what all I got, tell you guys prices and all that good stuff. So to no further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. So as usual, I did go ahead and try out the makeup products that are in here before I filmed this. That way I can give you guys my first impressions. So let's just go ahead and dive in. Alright, so it looks like we got a card. The Great Escape, I'm guessing, is the theme, and I believe the card doesn't have anything to do with the actual products in here. What's new? I really don't know why they send these anymore because, yeah, it doesn't say anything about what is in my box. I wish they would go back to the old way when they sent a card with all the products, like what was in your box. On the card, that way you could kind of read about it and know the prices and all that stuff, but whatever. So I'm just going to go ahead and start with the products that they picked for me first, and then I'll get to the products that I customize. So first up, I have something in here from Kate Somerville, I think that's how you say it. This is their foaming cleanser. It is an acne treatment. And this retails for $44. It's actually a pretty good size cleanser from what it seems like. Yeah, it's a pretty good size. My light's too bright. So it's a really good size cleanser. I've tried a couple of things from Kate Somerville, and from what I remember, the products seem pretty good. So I'm glad to have gotten this. I like getting cleansers. I think that's probably the skincare product that I go the quickest through is cleansers. Alright, next up I have something in here from Earth Harbor. This is their brightening ampoule serum, I'm guessing. Let's see. It doesn't really say what it is, but I'm guessing it's some kind of serum. Anyways, this retails for $38. Did I say what the cleanser retailed for? If I didn't, it's $44. I think I said it, but I don't remember. I actually may have gotten this before. I feel like this product looks familiar. Maybe not. I'll have to look through my collection. Anyways, those are the products that they chose for me. And now we'll get into the products that I customize. So I'm going to start off first with my Beauty Boost item. Now if you don't know what Beauty Boost item is, it is like an additional fee that you can add to your box and you get one more product. So normally you would only get 5, but I get 6 products, and I'm able to customize my beauty booster, which is really nice. They signed it up for me. I'm pretty sure I've mentioned this before, but if you're new here, they signed me up automatically because I was subscribed to the premium box when they had Boxycharm, and they had like 3 different subscription boxes. They signed me up automatically because it's about, I think it was around the same price for the premium box. I haven't unsubscribed myself from the Beauty Booster because so far I've been pretty happy with everything that I've gotten from the Beauty Booster, and I like having another product that I can customize. Anyways, so moving on. So I chose a hair tool this time because I don't remember what the choices were, but this was probably the best fit for me. But it's from Complex Culture, and it is their it's their titanium curling wand. So they had to send my box in a bigger box this time. Like, I got my Ipsy box, but they also sent it in like in a big box because this product would not fit in it. But you get 2 things. So you get their storage sleeve. It's like a placemat for the hot tool, and then you get the wand. And these 2 products retail for $80. Not $80 each, but $80 for the both. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. And I don't use curling wands that often, but I do like to have them on hand, and I do like Complex Culture, so I was curious to try it out. So it looks like it's a placemat that you can place, and then you can also put the wand in there. So I'm assuming like if you just used it and you want to not place it on the counter because it's still hot, you can place it in there. So that's pretty cool. And then I'll open the actual wand box. Oop, there goes the instructions. Alright, so it looks like, oh, you actually get like a glove. which is pretty nice. So like, I guess so you don't burn yourself. And then here's what the wand looks like. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'll keep this. I might pass this on to a family member because like I said, I really don't use the wands that often, but it does feel like a pretty nice one. I don't know, I might keep it. I don't know. I don't know if I'll keep it. I know I have family members that like to do their hair, so maybe I'll pass it to them. I just thought it was like a nice thing to be able to get in the box, and I knew I could give it to somebody else if I didn't want it. It's not going back in the box. Anyways, I do really like that it comes with the glove. I think that's kind of nice. Alright, so there's that. Alright, so moving on to the makeup products that I was able to customize. So first up is from Shanna B. Miami. I've gotten several products in my boxes from them. So far, all the products I've gotten from this brand I really like. I chose the cream bronzer this time around, and it's in the shade Beach Babe. Here's what it looks like. I wasn't sure when I first saw the color. That's a little more warmer than I normally go for, but it's on my face. I like it. It blended out pretty well. Didn't have any problems with it, so far I really like this product. This retails for $23. Then I got this product from Loose Beauty. This is their Duo Highlighter. Again, another product that I was able to pick for myself. I have it in the shade Everlasting Paradise. Now this product has a powder product and then a cream product. So this one's the powder, and then this one over here is the cream. It looks pretty nice. This retails for $26, and I do have the powder on my face. I didn't use the cream just because, I don't know, I really wanted to try the powder one, and so far it's really pretty. It's pretty beaming. Didn't have any problems with it. I'll eventually try out the cream side, but the cream side almost looked a little, I guess it doesn't look too much darker, but it looks a little more darker than the other side, so I'll have to play around with it and see if I can get it to work for my skin tone. So there's that. Alright, and then last but not least, the last product that I was able to customize is from Rihanna Rebelled, I think is how you say it. I probably butchered that. I've never heard of this brand, but it's a lipstick or a lip crown. I don't know. It's a color stick is what it's called. Bold lip color stick. This is in the shade Rose Nude. This retails for $19. It's in like this packaging. It's kind of cute. And here's the product. It is what I have on my lips. And here's the shade. If you can't see it on my lips. I have a couple of things to say about this product. I do really like the color. I think the color is really pretty. But I don't know if I just need to keep using it, if it's like that first layer kind of thing. But I noticed when I was applying it, it's pretty dry feeling on the lips. I would definitely pair this with a gloss because it's just kind of, it's just dry feeling. It doesn't make my lips look too dry, but like when you rub them together, it's just not creamy. Your lips start to stick. Not like sticky, but there's just no creaminess, so your lips kind of like, they have grippiness to them, if that makes sense. Like, it's just not, like a normal lipstick, you would rub your lips together and it would just glide around because the lipstick is creamy and you don't really have any friction or anything, but because it's not really creamy, it just doesn't do that. I didn't pair it with a gloss today solely because I wanted you guys to be able to see the actual color of it, I didn't know if the gloss might change the look of it a little bit, so I wanted you guys to see what it looks like. But I think I'll probably keep this. I was debating because I really didn't like the dryness of applying it, but it's really not that bad. It's just not a creamy lipstick. But I think if I paired it with a gloss, it would be fine. Because like I said, I really do like the color of it, and it's really pigmented. It's just applying it was just kind of like a little rough. It's not bad though. That's what I have to say about that. Alright, that's everything in the box, and now I'm just going to go ahead and tally up the price so that you guys know the overall value. And then after that, I'll do a quick run through and let you guys know my final thoughts on everything. Alright, so the overall value of my box is $230, which is not too bad considering what I paid for the box. So final thoughts on everything. So I think this box was pretty good this month. I wouldn't say it's my favorite ever, but it's definitely not the worst. So I think it's pretty balanced when it comes to the skincare side. I only got 2 skincares, which is what I prefer. I prefer 1, but 2's not bad. And then the Beauty Boost item this month was pretty good. It wasn't makeup, but hair tools are pretty expensive. I mean, this one's $80 for this. So getting them in my subscription box is a nice thing because then I didn't have to go out and buy it full price. So this is nice. And I am curious to try it out. I may try it out myself and just see how it works just because I'm kind of curious. But then with the actual makeup products, I can't say I'm like over thrilled about the makeup products. Like there's nothing wrong with the products. Like I did like getting the bronzer. That's always nice. And then I got a nice highlighter and then a lipstick. So it's nothing wrong with these products. It's just not super exciting. They just kind of seem like basic products to me. But maybe I'm just being too picky. I do miss getting more eyeshadow palettes. I feel like they haven't sent as many eyeshadow palettes lately. But that's just me being overly critical. I think I'm just comparing it to the past Boxycharm boxes because it seemed like every time we got a box we would get some kind of eyeshadow palette. But this is not bad. So overall, I think it was worth it for me personally. I still got a lot of products that I'm excited to use. So it was definitely worth it for me. But there you go, guys. That is going to do it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up because that really does help my channel. And also, let me know down in the comments what you guys thought of my box this month. Did you guys get July Ipsy Boxycharm box? And if you did, what did you think of your box? Let me know down below because I love chatting with you guys down there. But other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!